How to buy and trade NFTs with Trust Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'm gonna let you know the ways to buy and trade NFTs with Trust Wallet. So for that, go ahead and log in into your Trust Wallet account. When you're logged into your Trust Wallet account, that's gonna take you to the home page. And from the home page, you need to go ahead and press on Discover. So on the search box, what you need to do is you need to type in OpenSea.com or OpenSea.io. When you actually type in OpenSea.io, it's going to take you to this field. So here, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and while you're on this page, you could go ahead and select the particular NFT that you wish to go with. So I'm going to go with this one and tap on it. It's going to direct you to the next field. Now, if you want to go ahead and buy, then you will just go ahead and select the buy button, or if you want to make an offer, click on make collection offer located right at the bottom. So select Trust Wallet, and next thing you just have to go ahead and click on connect. Here onwards, you could go ahead and read all of these instructions and follow the prompt, and you should be able to buy and trade NFTs with Trust Wallet. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.